Hello friends, this is Shanaya from Shanaya's Henna Art. Today I'm going to share with you a beautiful floral mehndi design for the front hand. As you can see, my hands are still red with henna because I was super busy with bookings during this Eid. It's been such a wonderful and hectic time. Now let's get started with the tutorial. I'm using a practice henna cone today and my main goal is to show you this stunning floral design. So let's begin. I've been having so much fun creating this design. It's always amazing to see how a floral mehndi design can transform the hand into a piece of art. I love how versatile floral designs are. They're perfect for any occasion. If you try this design, please share your pictures with me on Instagram. I'd love to feature your beautiful mehndi designs on my story. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel for more stunning mehndi designs. Also hit the bell icon to stay updated with new designs every week. Follow me on Instagram at Mehendi Shanaya for more updates and gorgeous mehndi designs. Have you ever tried floral mehndi designs? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks again for watching and see you in the next video. Stay creative and keep practicing your mehndi skills. Bye for now.